Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just a little while, a couple hours ago, I made a video on this, and somebody noticed my line, and they wanted to know how I made that line. Well, a lot of lines can be made um, with your line tool in broken dotted or dashed lines, but they actually realized that it was not even and not perfect, and they want to know how I did that. Well, I'm going to do the exact same line. It is pretty cool, and I really appreciate the question because it is a valid question. But this time I'm going to make the line a little thicker so we can actually see it better. And I did it with the knife tool. I set my knife on gap and 2 inches. So all I had to do is just swipe through, swipe through, swipe through, swipe through, swipe through, swipe through, swipe through. And then you could go back and swipe again if you wanted to. So you've got imperfect dots and dashes, but they're not connected together because the knife tool has done that. So I'm going to continue what I did in that other video by opening up the object to path, and I'm going to make my circle a little bit bigger. I'm going to shift, so well, what I have to do to make this work, then I have to combine this line or group it. We're going to combine it. Sometimes you can't combine. Then hold down the shift key and grab your path. 100 is going to be too many. Let's do 50. And do apply. And it's going to put the balls, well, the balls are so big that it's taking up the whole space. So let's make our ball bigger or smaller. And then shift select your line and hit apply. And it's not going to put the balls where the lines are not. Now, realistically, you'd want to have this to be a hairline so you could see it better. But that's pretty cool because it's not putting a line there where I cut it. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. The knife tool, I don't use it very much, but in this case, it could save you a lot of time. You know, just take it, and you could have your gap whatever you wanted. You could make it 3 inches. And then when you cut, it's going to put a 3-inch gap there. You know, we're so large it doesn't look like a 3-inch gap, but if we take the parallel dimension tool and go from that node to that node, it put a 3-inch gap. Pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.